Turning to the pandemic, today San Diego County reached another grim milestone, surpassing 300,000 total coronavirus cases since the pandemic began last March. There have now been 300,189 total cases after another 1,200 new cases were reported just today. As the county sees a spike in COVID-19 cases, surge tents are back up at Scripps Memorial Hospital in Encinitas to deal with the high intake of patients. Fox 5's Kelsey Christensen joins us live from Encinitas with the very latest. Kelsey.
Well, the biggest concern really is where we go from here, and doctors fear it'll get worse before it gets better. Scripps Health is reporting a sharp uptick of COVID-19 cases in its hospitals as the highly contagious Delta variant spreads. As of Tuesday, 108 patients are hospitalized due to COVID-19 across Scripps' 5 campuses. That's up from just 14 COVID patients when the state reopened on June 15th.
We're seeing winter volume in the summer, which is really not seen.
Dr. Ghazala Sharif says ICUs are starting to fill up. Scripps Health ICUs are currently at 78% capacity. 12% are COVID-19 patients, and most of those patients are not vaccinated. To deal with high patient intake, tents are back up outside Scripps Memorial Hospital in Encinitas.
We are putting in just additional negative pressure rooms, which are needed for patients with COVID. We are trying to staff up as much as we can. We have a staffing shortage in the area. As of this morning, we only had 5 intensive care units beds left that were staffed.
Over at UCSD Health, Dr. Jess Mandel says they're also seeing an uptick in COVID-19 cases. Right now, there's about 30 COVID patients hospitalized. Only about 10% were vaccinated. Mandel says while there's still plenty of room left in ICUs at UCSD, there is room for concern.
It's not the number that we're at now that's so concerning. It's really the trajectory. Whereas a few weeks ago, we had almost no COVID patients in the hospital. The trend is pretty undeniable right now.
Beating the surge of the highly contagious Delta variant means higher vaccination rates, since we have yet to reach herd immunity.
Clearly, we need to get on top of COVID in San Diego, and really that means making sure everyone's vaccinated. It is like night and day to see the types of diseases that present in patients who are vaccinated and those who are not.
And just for some more context here, those surge tents were not taken down at Scripps Mercy since COVID happened. And at the La Jolla destination, or location rather, they're still keeping a close eye to see if they need to put up those surge tents as we move forward. Kathleen?
All right, our Kelsey Christensen tonight. Thank you for that.